Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing tools and safety. This saves time and prevents damage. Remove AirPods and power the case down. You want the battery below 25% to lower fire risk. Next, remove the hinge cover screws using the correct tri-point bit. Keep screws organized so they return to the same holes. Once the hinge is loose, pry gently with a spudger along the seam to lift the top. Be careful, there are ribbon cables inside, so proceed slowly to avoid ripping them. You now focus on detaching internal components. This is the delicate phase. First, disconnect the ribbon cables and the battery connector. This isolates power and prevents shorting when you work near the cell. Unscrew the small bracket plates securing the PCB. Make note of their positions and screw sizes. Once free, lift the PCB gently to access the glued battery. Use a plastic pick and a bit of isopropyl to soften adhesive, prying evenly so the battery doesn't bend or puncture. You finish by installing the new battery and reassembling in reverse order. This ensures everything fits as designed. Position the replacement cell, apply adhesive strips, then reconnect the battery connector. Once connected, reseat the PCB and reinstall brackets and screws in their labeled holes. Before closing the hinge, charge briefly to confirm the case powers on. If it doesn't, first reseat connectors, check for a blown thermal fuse, and inspect for torn ribbons. Once confirmed working, secure the hinge and run a full charge.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.